welcome back. It's still Wednesday. We are now going to work on writing nature poetry. Yesterday, I had you walk around your house and you filled out your my five senses, what's around me. If you didn't do that, you have to stop this and you have to go do that because you can't do the next section without having this done. So took a walk outside around your house or inside, wherever you did this, but you wrote at least three things that you could hear, three things that you could see, three things that you could smell, three things that you could feel, and three things that you could taste. And I said the hardest one would be the taste. You had to take a snack out there, wherever you were. Okay. So from here, we're going to take this and we are going to write a sensory poem. But I don't want to just say, I hear birds chirping, I hear dogs barking, I hear kids playing, I see trees, houses, and a pool. I smell flowers, cut grass, and food in the grill. I can feel wind in my face, soft grass, warm driveway. That would be so boring. So we're going to pick ideas and we're going to extend them. But we need to have an opening. And the first thing is, I need to know where you are. So you need some kind of an opening sentence that tells where you are. Okay? So I took a walk around the outside of my house. Now I want to pick one of my ideas up here. So I heard, so I'm going to do my birds chirping. Okay. I heard birds chirping to each other in the trees. So do you see how I took birds chirping and it became, I heard birds chirping to each other in the trees. I extended it and made it far more thorough. Okay. What did I see? I'm going to pick the pool. I saw my, how am I going to describe my pool? I saw, I'm going to change that. I saw the blue water of my pool I saw the blue water of my pool looking lonely without any swimmers. Wow, I went from pool to I saw the blue water of my pool looking lonely without any swimmers. So you're going to end up with 5 sentences, but I want 5 interesting sentences. And what do I notice? I notice I ran out of room. So maybe you might ask mom to print off 2 of these pages, or you can use the back, or you could just use another piece of paper. Okay? But you're going to make one sentence, pick one thing from each of the senses and write it into your poem, your graphic organizer of your poem. And what do you think you're going to do in this box up here? You're going to draw me a picture. And in it, it should have, so I would draw my picture. I would have birds in the trees. I would have a picture of my pool. I'm going to probably pick the cut grass, the wind on my face, and you know which one I'm going to pick, right? That I would be eating salty chips as I went on my little walk because they're my favorite. Okay? So you have your list and you're going to pick one thing from each one, but I don't want you to just write, I hear birds chirping. I see my pool. I smell cut grass. I can feel wind on my face. I taste salty chips. That would be boring. That's something that maybe at the beginning of the year you would write, but now that we're at the end of first grade, I took a walk around the outside of my house. Don't forget, you need to have some kind of an opening. You have to tell me where you are. Okay? Then you have, I heard birds chirping to each other in the trees. I saw the blue water of my pool looking lonely without any swimmers. But maybe there were swimmers at your house. Maybe it was this weekend when it was warm. It can be anything. I am not going to judge you on what you see or hear or smell or taste or feel, but I'm looking for you to be descriptive in your writing. Okay? I can't wait to see these. Have fun with it. I'll see you later for math.